Jay making movies.
Hello?
Hey, yo, Keisha, what up? It's Knowledge right here. What the f that time here?
He's out of town.
Movies.
So y'all, now I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't know what happened with these overnight, but I'm glad I striked when I did. Let's talk about YouTube family. Timing is everything. What's good? What's going on with everyone out there, man? What's popping? All that, man. It's your boy Jay here to give y'all some Saturday content, man. While y'all getting up, for those of y'all that slept in, yawning, you got the slob on the side of your mouth, man, just chill in bed for a second, bro. I got something for you, man. And if you already up on your feet vibing out, I appreciate you as well. But yes, man, yes, sir. January, we all know it, bro, is a slow month. So your boy had to go back and pick up some things. Although, you know, I picked up this shoe, like I purchased it like maybe December 21st, something like that, and I just got this shoe in hand, man. And within that time, y'all, of me purchasing this shoe, I don't know what happened, bro, but the prices of this shoe skyrocketed, and I'm so shocked, y'all. I'm so very shocked because the price that I paid for this shoe, I was like, bruh, you tripping, bruh. You tripping. You paying too much for them shoes. That was my mindset upon pulling the trigger. But since the time of me buying the shoe, bruh, the price has doubled, bruh. Double. Let me get up and walk away for that, bruh. The prices that they going for right now, if you are one of the people who listed it for that ask, you are tripping. But outside of that, I'm about to show y'all the shoe that I do have. Before we do get into it, if this is y'all first time stopping through, man, and y'all happen to stop through on this in particular video, hey, this is the one, man. I need y'all to stick around, man. Join the fam, hit that subscribe button down below, man. We do it all over here. I don't even want to go down the rundown. Y'all just scroll through the archive, check out the videos. On feats are about to start coming, y'all. I might have a quick on feet for y'all tomorrow. Early look on a shoe that is set to be releasing next week. So we'll probably get to that tomorrow so we can kind of get back into the groove of on feet and all that. But yeah, outside of that, man, if this is your first, second, or third time stopping through, hey, make sure y'all stick around, hit that subscribe button, and thumbs it up, man. Thumbs it up. Your boy Jay, come on, bro. We rolling into the new year right, man. Thumbs it up for your boy Jay. Let's run it up. This is one of 3. And this is the one, y'all, man. I mean, hey, I'm excited to see it. I want to see why there's so much hype, why the prices increased, and etc., man. So without any further ado, we about to jump into that box. But before I do, y'all, I gotta send a quick reminder because your boy fell in love with something that I received yesterday, and I don't know if y'all caught my video from yesterday, but I'm gonna show y'all what it is I'm talking about. Whew, appreciate that. Bang! Yes, you guessed it if you said the Soul Premise bag, y'all. Your boy Jay got this premium wheat style Soul Premise duffel bag in yesterday, man. Look, bro, I'm about to book me a trip, bro. As soon as I get off this video, I'm about to book a trip because this bag just got me in the spirit, man. Great quality leather, bro. It's so premium, y'all. Like, this is new, y'all. Very, very new, fresh off the market from Soul Premise, y'all. This is the duffel. Look, I got it set up how I like it. Basically, I got my big section right here for all my clothes. I got my 2 slots for my shoes. I'm going on a 2-day trip. I'm probably planning a little 2-day trip or something. So put my 2 pairs of shoes plus my flip-flops that's gonna be on my feet. Got my clothes right here. Got my boxers, all my other stuff right here in this little back pocket. Got my chargers. Everything else right there while my bag is being secured, man. But yes, I had to just hit y'all with just a back-to-back video and let y'all know about how Soul Premise got this new in, and y'all need to definitely check it out. But side packets right there, all that good stuff. Side packets right there. You got a pocket in the back as well, man. Like, hey, bro, what y'all waiting for, man? What y'all waiting for? Make sure that y'all bag is secured, man. And the only way to do that is by shopping with Soul Premise, man. So head over to Soul Premise today, y'all. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy. check out the new lineup, man. That's part of the new lineup right there, and they got some bangers, man. And just to let y'all know, I ain't capping, bro. Your boy paid out his own pocket to get there. That's how much I like those bags, man. But I'm seriously about to book a trip, y'all, because I gotta show that bag off. But outside of that, man, I gotta show y'all these kicks first. So let's go ahead and pop open the box and see what all the fuss is about, man, and why the price went up. Let's get to it. Woo. Bang, man. So here we go. We do got the package. We do got the package that I'm excited to get into and see, man. Your boy had to go over the gold on this one because had a couple people who got their hands on these. These only released specifically to Chicago. These did not release anywhere else. No online release. It was exclusive to a store in Chicago, which I'm gonna tell y'all what store that is here in a second. I ain't done cutting it open, but they released exclusively to Chicago. I had a partner out in Chicago. Shout out Fine Line 1721. He was gonna get these for me, but the price he was asking, I was like, bruh, that's kind of crazy. But you know, he be looking out, showing love prices, so he did what he could do with the price, but I thought it was too high. I actually saved $300 from the price that he asked me by just putting a bid on GOAT, and it got accepted. So this did come from GOAT. Shout out to the person, bro. If you watching, if you somehow stumble across this video and you accepted the bid for a size 9 in this shoe, God bless you, sir. I truly appreciate it, because if you would have seen what they were going for right now, you probably would have canceled my order. But anyways, we got paper. Y'all don't care about that. We got the box, bro. We got the box, the JFG. Bang, man. We got the Joe Fresh Good New Balance joints right here, man. And if you guys checked out my past videos from either the intro or the outro pair, you guys do know that the box does glow in the dark, y'all. So these boxes do contain a glow in the dark feature, which is, do I want to even say that that's dope? Because bruh, I don't care about the box going in the dark, man, but maybe someone does, man. So shout out to them. But of course, you got the JFG, just like the other shoes, Joe Fresh Goods written on it. Joe Fresh Goods has been making some great collabs with New Balance. This is not the first time that they've collabed. They've collabed in the past. They had like a baby shower blue 990, I think, and they had another pair that came out with that. I forgot the name of it, but more New Balances on the way, y'all. Let me know, comment down below if y'all want to see more New Balance on the channel. If y'all want to see other brands, Puma, comment down below what brands I need to bring to the channel. But we definitely gonna bring some New Balance, because New Balance been going crazy. But size tag on this one, it just says lifestyle. I went with a size 9. I recommend you going true to size if you guys plan on picking up any of these New Balances. But told y'all in the first 2 videos, it does have like a secured lid on it. You do have to pop it out, raise it up a little bit for it to come off. Then on the inside, you do got the writing. I showed it to y'all on previous videos. The writing does say, with over 75 years of authentic American craftsmanship, New Balance made in USA is designed without compromise. This pair represents our unwavering commitment to those who walk their own path. So yes, that is what the box lid says. Y'all ain't worried about the box lid. We do got a GOAT verification card in here. Now it is a QR style. As you can see, you just click that QR, and I don't even know what that do, but I don't care about all that. But inside the box, y'all, we do got some Keisha blue paper. So you do got the paper with the money on it, and it does resemble that scene from Belly where it was all blue, and maybe the intro, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm gonna say. But you do got the blue, the pink hues on it. You move it out the way, move that out the way. We do got some New Balance paper, y'all. So you do got some New Balance light little logos going all throughout that paper. And beneath that, y'all, we do got the shoes that is going for a ticket, bro. These shoes are going for over 1,000. What? Over, I gotta get up, bro. I gotta get up, bro. Over 1K. And that shoe is the New Balance 990 V4 Joe Fresh Goods Keisha blue. Bang! So yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. I'm so glad that I got these, bro. I was worried that my order was gonna get canceled. You know, I was just like, hey, bro, they ain't gonna send my shoes, because these jump in price, man. And usually when shoes jump in price, off-whites, things like that, when Virgil passed away, a lot of people canceled their orders, man. But these were already on the way. like to go to be verified, and the buyer couldn't cancel it at that point. But I'm sure he probably would have canceled it when he seen that price increase, man. But I'm gonna tell y'all the price that I paid for these, and y'all still gonna be like, bruh, I wouldn't have paid $10 for those. I wouldn't. I know y'all gonna have y'all opinion, man, but you know, you buy what you like, right? And I buy what I like. So this is what I like. That is what I like. That is what I like. So I did buy these to complete the collection, and yeah, bro, I'm happy I got them, bro. So the price that I paid for these Joe Fresh Good joints right here was $557. What the f? With added fees, I think my total came out to like $611. Yes, I know, crazy, right? New Balance is over $600, but I'm glad I got them, bro, because they are now lowest ads going for $1,140. Sheesh, bang! So yes, we do have them, y'all. The most limited pair out of the whole New Balance Joe Fresh Goods Belly 1998 pack, y'all. So I do have the Keisha Blues, man, and it's hard finding a review for these, man. I'm seeing a lot of shorts on Instagram, on YouTube. I've seen a lot of shorts, but I'm not seeing any really reviews on the Keisha Blue pair, man. This pair is extremely limited, hence to why they're selling for over $1,000 in most sizes, y'all. So yes, you do got the all over blue hits on it with the light teal or light blue hues. I want to say it's more of a teal, but you do have that on the shoe, man. I think I'll throw some black laces maybe in it. It does come with an extra set of the black laces, as you can see, but I think I'll probably go with the black laces because the blue, I don't know where the blue comes from, the blue hues. Actually, it does come from, of course, that scene. When you watch the movie Belly, these colors will make a lot of sense to you, you know what I'm saying? But Keisha, of course, is a character from the movie Belly. I don't know why they didn't do like a Nas, what was his name? It wasn't Buns, was it? Buns, but I'm maybe thinking about a whole different movie like Booty Call or something, but bruh, I'm tripping. But I think they should have did a specific shoe for DMX, a specific shoe for Nas, and of course Keisha got her own shoe, you know what I'm saying? But I think that would have been doper, but instead they gave us an intro, an outro, and we do got the one character Keisha, man. But like I said, this shoe was a Chicago exclusive, y'all. These did not release anywhere else but in Chicago, and yeah, like I said, I paid the high. I paid $611 for them, but I'm glad I got them for that price versus what they're going for right now, because if it was left up to me to pay for them with the price that they're going for right now, they be sitting on the shelves, y'all. So yeah, man, I like to, you know, just take this slow month, the January month time, and just go back and cop shoes such as this that, you know, I might have missed out on. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but my lost and found row is looking kind of slim, man. I had like 7 pairs there. I'm down to 3. So I did make a trade, and I got a pair coming in soon. So when that pair come in, I'll be showing y'all what your boy done got for 4 pairs of lost and founds. But yeah, anyways, man, I got off topic. But Keisha Blue, the New Balance logo does have 3M hits on it, y'all. But JFG in the back, of course, in that teal blue. It has nice meshing and suede materials all throughout the shoe, man. A nice soft mesh with the blue hits, man. But like I said, man, this shoe, it might not seem as appealing to you right now, me just holding it in the hand, but trust me, when I throw them on feet and I style them up, y'all gonna see a whole different view of this shoe, man. Similar to the intros, man. Your boy Jay rocked the intros, and a lot of people got interested in that shoe upon seeing how I styled them, man. So maybe I'll do the same thing for these. Whenever I step out somewhere, I will put them on and show y'all a nice little way of how they look, man. But yes, sir, outside of that, we do got the intro. We do have, hold on, let me put this in the middle. Let's do this right. We got the intro, we got the outro in the middle, and then we got Keisha Blue, man. So your boy Jay has the trio. Yes, I am becoming the real sneaker guy. So I'm living up to my name, y'all. But we do got the trio set right here. All 3 of these released. This was, of course, the Chicago exclusive. The other 2 released worldwide. However, they're not any pushover, man. These are going for well over $300, the 2 pairs right here, man. So New Balance ain't slacking, you know what I'm saying? New Balance is really a staple name out there, man, and they are on the come up, man. To be seeing their shoes reselling for $300 is crazy, you know what I'm saying? Even Asics, y'all. We're seeing Asics in this day and age resell for well over $1,000, man. So y'all talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know, bro. Like, y'all paying over a band? Are y'all paying over $1,000? Bro, I am sorry, bro. What makes a shoe worth $1,000, man? But y'all comment down below. What is the most you'll pay for these? I'm curious to know your thoughts and opinions, man. Wrong answers only. Down below in the comment section, man. Y'all sound off because I know y'all gonna let me have it for these shoes. But I told y'all I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I paid $600 for these, man. And people be complaining when, you know, I might sell some reimagined 4 breads for like $400. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm paying $6 for these, you know what I'm saying? But I don't complain. I just work hard and I buy what I like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, hey, that is it, man. I'm gonna read those comments. I'm gonna have me a field day going through them. I already know. But Keisha Blue, New Balance 990s, man. These is, they alright. I need to throw them on my feet with an outfit, then I can give y'all my official rating on them. But of course, you do got the USA style flag with the New Balance logo on it, like the other shoes, man. And real quick details: the 1998 on the back, the same as the intro and the outro, y'all. But these right here, like I said, the most limited out of the whole pack, Chicago exclusive, Keisha Blues. They dope. I'm gonna say that they dope. Cause I know I'm gonna be able to style these up. Black laces is gonna set these off. You know what I'm saying? Black laces, right outfit, thumbs up. But thumbs it up as well. Your boy Jay is getting up out of here, man. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all Saturday. I didn't take up enough of your Saturday time. It's time to get up out of that bed, brush your teeth, throw in some mouthwash, do whatever you gotta do to get right. And be prepared. Go out there and be great today. You know what I'm saying? But I'm out, man. I'm gonna be back tomorrow. Like I said, I'm gonna try to hit y'all with a real quick on feet tomorrow, but upcoming shoe. But outside of that, y'all stay blessed. Till the next one, y'all. I'm gone, man. Peace.